What's the meaning of assemblyman? Assemblyman. Assemblyman.
Assemblyman. Assemblyman. Assemblyman refers to a member of a legislative assembly, specifically in the context of the United States. The title is commonly used for members of the lower house of state legislatures or territorial legislatures. Assemblymen are typically responsible for representing their designated districts and voting on proposed legislation. They may also serve on committees and work to advance policies that align with their constituents' interests. In short, an assemblyman is an elected official who plays a key role in shaping the laws and policies of their state or territory.